Welcome back to Crack the QR series with me Kavya Tendral. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe for more interesting videos like this, and also don't forget to press the bell icon, then only you can receive the daily video notification. Today we'll be seeing about the H. pylori regimen. First we'll see a basic microbiology of the H. pylori, that is the Helicobacter pylori, and then we'll see the regimen. At last, a quick recap. Coming to H. pylori. As the name suggests, pylorus is a part of stomach, and thereby this H. pylori will be present in stomach. Stomach is known for its acidic pH. It is surviving in the stomach by producing an enzyme called urease, and thereby this organism is a urease positive organism. And one of the non-invasive tests to identify this is also urea breath test positive. And this is the organism which is going to cause upper GI bleeding, and that is also picked up by stool Goyak test. Yes, so as far as treatment modality is concerned, it is a gram-negative bacteria. So it's basically a bacteria. We're not going to give antibiotics, and as well it is going to cause bleeding and ulceration of the gastric region, and thereby we need to treat the ulcer as well eliminate the antibiotic. For this, there are three different modalities of treatment as far as H. pylori treatment is concerned. One is triple regimen, and next is quadruple regimen, and then is sequential regimen. Coming to triple regimen, one mnemonic to remember here is RRERO. Yes, so a mother is making the baby to sleep with this song. Coming to the drugs per se, we'll divide this A and RRE. First, coming to A, the mnemonic again here is amoxicillin only. We'll remember only one drug, amoxicillin. From amoxicillin, we'll get A for amoxicillin, M for metronidazole, O for omeprazole, XI, and as well CI as the pronunciation of C. So we'll stick to clarithromycin. At last, L is coming, so L for lansoprazole. Prazole group can be like either it is omeprazole or lansoprazole, and above it is either amoxicillin or metronidazole, any one drug. The dose is always A is the first letter, so it is 1, it is gram. Coming to metronidazole and clarithromycin, both has 500 milligram. How to remember? CLARI, clari, and METRO, metro, all 5 letters, so 500 milligram. Omeprazole, om is 2 letters, so 20 milligram. Lan is 3, so it is 30 milligram. Coming to next regimen, in triple regimen, it is first Ra is for ranitidine, 400 milligram, and next Ra is for tetracycline, out of the second syllable tetracycline. Next is Re, clarithromycin, and Ro, it is metronidazole. Of all these, tetracycline, clarithromycin, metronidazole, all are 500 milligram, whereas ranitidine, it is 400 milligram. Rani, 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 so it is 4, so 400 milligram. Next is quadruple regimen. Quadruple regimen, the mnemonic here, what you see here is the tomb. We are going to eliminate and send the organism to the tomb. Remember like this. So T for tetracycline, O for omeprazole, M for metronidazole, and B for bismuth. And one other thing here also is it is either omeprazole or lansoprazole. Prazole, they are one group of drug. Om 2 to 20 milligram, Lan 3 30 milligram, and metronidazole, to be noted, it is 250 milligram here, and then bismuth subsalicylate is 325 milligram. Both the triple regimen and as well the quadruple regimen are for 14 days, whereas the sequential therapy, it is for 10 days, to be remembered. Again, in quadruple regimen, Q and Q, it is in quadruple regimen, it is QID. Next, coming to sequential regimen. Sequential regimen, as we know, it is 10 days. We divide this 10 days as 1 to 5 days and next to 5 days. Again, a mnemonic to remember is we are going to kill the organism, send it to the tomb, and we're going to take rest it in the cot. So it is what did you say? OA and cot. O for omeprazole, A for amoxicillin. We know the dose is 1 gram, omeprazole 2, Om 2, so 20 milligram. Coming to next days, clarithromycin, C, O for omeprazole, T for tinidazole. Here the only one change is tinidazole. And the drug dose for clarithromycin is again clari, 5 letters, 500 milligram, Om 20 milligram, elan, so it is 30 milligram, and tinidazole 500 milligram. After completing any of these therapies, we should give the proton pump inhibitors PPI once daily for 4 to 6 weeks in order to heal the ulcer. Now coming to a quick recap, this is what is the H. pylori kit. This is the triple regimen. Here we know it is either omeprazole or lansoprazole. In the kit it is lansoprazole, and clarithromycin it is present. In Indian kits it is always replaced. Metronidazole is usually not present. Instead of metronidazole it is tinidazole. Thereby we see tinidazole here, and this is the drug we see it is for BD, right? So thereby 1, 2, 2, 3 a pair of drugs are present in a strip. Thank you so much for your patient listening.